2. I miss my baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. Welcome to Vocalfy, where we learn, we do, we Hello and welcome back, my lovelies. Welcome back to Vocalfy. It's your girl, Miss Chance. I hope everybody is doing okay today. So today's topic is a highly requested subject. I've been getting many emails and many comments asking about this. It's how to belt without straining. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right to it. Before we even start talking about belting, I think it's very important to mention that you find a space that you can be comfortable. There's family members around, you might feel nervous, and if you start off that way, it's gonna be very hard for you to belt without straining. The way I conceptualize belting, or how I break it down, is breathing management, placement, space. Let's figure out how we can get these three things to work together. Before we begin, you know the routine. I'd like you to like, subscribe, share, comment. Just help your girl out. Let me know down below what other subject matter you want me to talk about or you want me to make videos about, and I will get on to that as soon as I can. Step 1 for any type of sound that you want to make: your breathing. I've tried to conceptualize many different ways on how I can explain how I breathe, but the long and short of where I breathe from what I sing is I breathe from my kitty. I breathe from down there. I sing from down there. And this goes for both men and women. It's not just a female thing. It's just about using those muscles in the pelvic floor area in order to drive the air up into your vocal cords. I sync my sound with down there. I start with a from the kitty. Kegel. On the next exhale, you're going to make a sound. Now let's make the sound hey. Hey, 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 hey. Stop. Now let's take the H out of it and let's just do A. A, 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 A. Let's get the grasp of that, of synchronizing the Kegel with sound. So no longer, don't think, okay, I'm singing from my mouth. You're singing from down there. I amplify from, I don't know how else to explain it. Step number 2, placement. If you go and look at my how to sing high notes without strain video, it's pretty much the same concept. It's taking the sound from the vocal cords and floating it up into our mask. You might hear different terms for this area. Now from here, you're gonna give me nya, 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 that really bratty or wicked witch sound. Nya, 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 nya. You're gonna sing that same hey, a, with that quality of sound. So it goes like this. Hey, 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 hey. Excellent. If you're not feeling that hey, switch the sound to a nya, 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 nya. That should get you right into the mask area. So step 2 of learning how to belt is learning how to get into that placement, feeling the vibrations in the mask, and maintaining the voice up in that area. Once you get the placement, you synchronize your breathing. The last thing you want to do is create and maintain space. You want the shape of your mouth to resemble a megaphone. Maintain space from east to west and north and south. So what I like to do is I start with a serial killer smile, as wide as I can. You might show some top teeth, some bottom teeth, and I drop the jaw with that configuration. You can also get here by yawning as well. Ha! Ha! Ah! You want the front of your mouth to open up wide so the sound can amplify out into the air like this. And you should feel air moving from the back of your throat all the way to the front of your mouth, and vice versa. Now, if you can feel all that, then you've created enough space for your sound to start resonating when you want to go for your high belt. And last but not least, I know it's hard to do, but you have to try to relax. The biggest part of why people have a hard time with belting is they're nervous and you're thinking about singing the note before you sing it, as opposed to just working on the mechanics. So what I try to do is I try to focus on one or two of the mechanics. So maybe it's I zero in on my breathing as I sing the note, or I zero in on placement. And that allows me to not think about singing the note so much, but am I making the right formation, or am I creating the right environment in order for me to sing the note? Let's run through a quick checklist of the things we need to do when we're about to belt our notes. The synchronizing of the kitty. Placement. Create and maintain space. Welcome to Vocalfy, where we learn, we do, we feel, we move. And that's what belting is all about. Belting is not just about technique, it's about the feel, okay? So this is just to get you comfortable and moving, and just to relax and have a good time, okay? Because that's where you need to be before you start to belt. Relaxed, in the moment, feeling yourself, feeling the groove, feeling the emotions of what you're trying to do, okay? Now, let's start it off with just a little physical warm-up. And shoulders up, down, roll them back, down, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and neck. Now, breathing. Let's go to our breathing next, okay? Good. Remember what we spoke about in the video? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now let's make sound on an ah. Ah. Let it go. And ah.
BeatStars.com.
One more time. Now let's go. Ah. And by yourself. Good. One more time. Let's go a little higher. Good. By yourself. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna add some words now. So it goes like this. Ready? 2 goes, I miss my baby. I miss my baby. Repeat that after me. I miss my baby. Call and response. I miss my baby. Hey, and I miss my baby. Now we're gonna go, where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? You by yourself. Let's take it up now. Let's go.
BeatStars.com.
I miss my baby. I miss my baby. I miss my baby. Where did he go? Nobody knows. And yes, that's what I'm talking about. One more time. I miss my baby. I miss my baby. Placement. Where did he go? Nobody knows. Let's hold some notes. And I miss my baby. Use the placement. I miss my baby. Oh, yeah. There it is. Hey.
BeatStars.com.
I miss my baby. Sing it. Hey. I miss my baby. Woo. Hey. I miss my baby, yeah. Woo. I had so much fun. I hope you had fun. Listen. Did you break out a sweat like me? 'Cause I was sweating. And if you aren't, honestly, that's amazing, because you want to get your body moving. You want to get the voice warm. You want to feel good. That is what singing is about. And this is why I do what I do. I love this. And I want you to love it too. It doesn't have to be scary. Make it fun. So that's what we're gonna do here on Vocalfy. So again, if you like what you just did, like, share, subscribe, you know, all the good stuff. Help your girl out with the analytics. Subscribe. That's what they really want on YouTube. Anyways, I love you guys. I had such a good time, and I will see you next week. Bye!